लोग आते रहेंगे। इसे स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज in what year or in which year basically Shakespeare was born?
1564.
1564
Yeah,
and died in 1616, April 23 is 20.
he died, right,
Bhagwan.
right. Okay, then what is the B option stands for? What was the major event happened in 1558? It was also a important year. Very good. No one remembers? Coronation of Queen Elizabeth I. Right now, if you haven't remembered that, then coronation of Queen Elizabeth I, 1558. Second option, second question. Shakespeare was born in which town or city?
Stratford upon Avon. A. Option A.
Stratford Avon. It's not upon. It's Stratford Avon. Okay, there are many actually printing mistakes in that. I have also gone through the
Spelling error मैंने
स्पेलिंग एरर वो काफी सारे हो रखे हैं। वो एक्चुअली कुछ नहीं, स्टैटफोर्ड ऑन एवन की जगह अपॉन हो रखा है बिकॉज वो ऑटो करेक्ट में और उसमें अपने आप चला गया होगा। एंड द टाइपिस्ट ऑब्वियसली लिटरेचर स्कॉलर तो था नहीं मेरा, तो उसने करता चला गया वो। ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट द नेम ऑफ शेक्सपियर्स फादर एंड मदर वर?
John and Mary.
John and Mary.
Yes, it's John.
John and
Yeah, very good. Who did Shakespeare marry?
Anne Hathaway.
Anne Hathaway.
Yeah, it's Anne Hathaway. And what was the name of their daughter?
Susanna.
Judith.
दो daughters थी मैम उसकी ना, there were two daughters and one son.
Hamnet is the son and Judith is the daughter, elder one.
And Susanna.
Susanna
Yeah, Susanna.
is the second daughter, right?
Susanna Hall. Yes.
Yes. So they have 3 children. That is A option for the next question. How
Amma.
many? Yes.
ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡು. ಅನ್ನ.
How many children they had? That
3.
is 3. Yes, they had 3 children. And who called Shakespeare an upstart crow?
Robert Greene.
Robert
Greene.
Yes, Robert Greene has called him an upstart crow. Can you complete the phrase? Who can complete the phrase?
An upstart crow beautified
with our feathers. Yes, an upstart crow beautified with our feathers. Let me take the pen tab. आज उसी से लिखना पड़ेगा, PDF है ये. An upstart crow beautified with our feathers. Okay. And what is the statement made by Ben Jonson for him? What Ben Jonson called him?
Small Latin, small Greek.
No, he knew little Latin and
Little. Ma'am, questions are not visible.
small
question paper is not visible to anyone. Question paper is not visible.
No, it is visible.
It shows only 6th, ma'am. Downwards, it's not coming.
Yeah, obviously it shows only 6. I'm on the 6th question. So the complete phrase is the upstart crow beautified with our feathers. Okay, with our feathers. And Ben Jonson called him a genius. Ben Jonson called him a genius. Along with that, he said he knew little. Lakshmi, please mute your mic. He called him a genius and brilliant mind who has a little knowledge of Greek and Latin. And John, Lily, and Marlowe doesn't make any kind of comment on him. Now, next question: to whom did Shakespeare dedicate his long narrative poem Venus and Adonis?
A. That's
A
Henry.
option.
This thing. Oh,
With
Lord
yes,
Southampton.
that is yes, Henry Vidalsey, the Earl of Southampton, and that is the WH, the reverse initials of the person to whom he has dedicated most of his sonnets as well. Okay, how many sonnets Shakespeare has written?
154.
Yes,
154.
154 sonnets. And how many sonnets he has dedicated to WH?
126.
Yes, 126 sonnets he has dedicated to WH. Very good. Now, in
Ma'am,
15
is he patron of Shakespeare?
what?
Ma'am, is he patron of Shakespeare?
Pattern.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of pattern? To dedicate.
I'm patron.
Okay, but what kind of pattern she is talking about? I didn't get the question basically. Narmada, what you want to ask? What, Lakshmi? Please mute your mic. Next, in 1954, in 1594, Shakespeare became one of the founding member of which acting
This is the
company?
Lord Chamberlain.
A Chamberlain's man.
Yes,
Option
ma'am.
A.
Yeah, Lord of Chamberlain's Men. That is the artist company. He becomes the founding member of that. Lakshmi, if you are not answering, then please mute your mic. It's recording and it will disturb it. I'm
Okay,
again and again muting you. Yes,
okay.
that is Lord Chamberlain's Men. Okay, he became the founding member of this acting company, and then he made his own one. In which,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
In the previous question, to whom did Shakespeare dedicated his sonnets?
yes,
He has dedicated his sonnet to W.H. W.H. is what? Henry Rossley.
yes,
Okay. Thank you.
yeah. Next is in which year, as the Globe Theatre, in which year did the Globe Theatre build?
1599.
Option A, ma'am.
मैम
Yes.
इसमें मैंने पढ़ा था अभी 20 दिसंबर 1598 था. It was like that. 28 December 1598. So it was
That, but it
1598.
was given to him in 1599 January, and on 19th or 21st January, the first play was played there. That is why on every year on the 21st January they used to play the enactment of the Shakespeare's play used to be done in the London to give him honor.
Actually, I had read it 20 December 1598, not 1599. It has confusion.
It's
In
not
1599 and 1590.
there is no confusion. They have completed the Globe Theatre in 1598, but it was gifted to Shakespeare in 1599, and the first play was staged on in Globe Theatre in 1599. That's why the year 1599 is being mentioned there.
Ma'am, which play?
Okay.
That was, I think, Midsummer's Night Dream.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Shakespeare collaborated with which of the author to on the play The Two Noble Kingsmen?
मैम इसमें ना
Option
थोड़ा
A.
एरर जॉन फ्लेचर था
नेम
ना
कंप्लीट नहीं है ना?
पूरा कंप्लीट नाम नहीं था उसके ना
हाँ, वो Fletcher है. The first one, if it is Fletcher, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It's a tragic comedy is in 5 parts.
Yes.
5 acts.
It's John Fletcher. Okay. In which year did Shakespeare died? Everyone.
1616.
Yeah. In which year Shakespeare's first collected edition of play called the first photo?
1623.
1623.
1623, man.
Yes.
Option A.
Yes. Now, how many plays did Shakespeare write?
37.
37.
37.
Now, even on Wikipedia, there are 39s, but don't go for it because they are unauthored, they are unsigned play. Only on the basis of writing style, they are being categorized in the Shakespearean one. Okay. How many authorized or signed play are there for Shakespeare? How many signed play are assigned to Shakespeare? Yes. Like total number of plays are 37, but how many plays he has signed?
10.
No, 21. Okay, the proper signed play by Shakespeare are 21. What happened to Globe Theatre in 1613?
Mom burned down.
It was
Burned
burned when
down.
Henry VIII were performed on the stage.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, it
Henry
was
5. 5, 8.
Henry
no
VIII.
Henry V तो है ही नहीं. Henry VIII was there. Henry VI
Yes,
is
ma'am. Yes,
there.
Henry 8. Yes.
So Henry VIII was being performed and it got burned. Very good. Next, how is Sam Wanamaker connected with Shakespeare?
Rebuild the Globe
Yes,
Theatre.
it was to
Yes, ma'am.
rebuild the Globe Theatre, right?
Globe Theatre.
Yes. And how many words did Shakespeare actually invented?
Option A.
3000.
3,000, and that is why he is
2000.
called as
Yes,
the
ma'am.
father of English language. Now, when did Shakespeare write his play?
Early no, 16th and 17th century.
Yeah, that's the 16th and
16th
17th century
and
because
17th
he died
century.
in 1616, so it was 17th century. Okay, Venus and Adonis was written in a stanza of
6 line sentence.
6 line stanza. Very good.
Yes, I make pentameter, ma'am.
Yeah, iambic. Yeah, iambic pentameter 6 line. Very good. Which of the following plays is not known to have been based on any existing literary and historical work?
The Tempest.
Option A.
Tempest.
The
Yes,
Tempest.
the
Tempest, ma'am.
Tempest was basically the theme chosen by him. It was not based on anyone. Romeo and Juliet is based on which of the historical story? What is the source of Romeo and Juliet? Holinshed Chronicles. It's Holinshed Chronicles. For measure for measure and Cymbeline. Measure for measure, Holinshed Chronicles, Cymbeline, Plutarch's Life. A Midsummer's Night Dream, which character's head is transformed into an S?
Nick Bottom.
Nick
the
Bottom,
Weaver.
the
Option
Weaver.
A.
Yeah,
Nick
the
Bottom.
Weaver,
Nick
Nick
Bottom.
Bottom. And in whose chamber he was placed? His head was replaced by an ass, and in whose chamber he was placed? Who did that? Okay. Who replaced?
Portia.
Portia? Portia कहाँ आ गई यहाँ? Yeah. बताओ. Who did that? Who replaced his head with the ass? Don't know the story. सब तुक्के मार रहे हो. Oberon, the fairy king, and in whose chamber he put that? Titania. The Queen of Fairies. Okay, what was the setting? Where it happened? What was the name of the place?
Forest, ma'am, na? This one
Forest
somewhere.
of
Let's, it is enough.
Athens. Yes.
Yes,
My
18th.
words fly up, my thoughts remain low. Words without thought never to heaven go. Which character of Shakespeare's Hamlet?
Ma'am, it was it was
Claudius.
Claudius. Basically, he was confessing, to murdering his brother. Basically, the way
Yeah,
he was talking with
he was confessing the murder of.
his brother.
Yes. What was the name? What was the name of his brother?
Murder of Gonzalo.
Yes, ma'am.
King Hamlet.
King Hamlet. Yes. Okay.
That was
Yes.
the father of Hamlet. Murder of Gonzalo was a play within a play.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Then next question. The Moor of Venice is the subtitle of which of the Shakespeare tragedy?
Othello.
Othello.
Yes, it's Othello. What is the subtitle of Hamlet? Prince of Denmark. कैसे भूल सकते हो ये चीज तो? Hamlet, the Prince of Denmark. Cymbeline. What is the subtitle of Cymbeline? No one knows what is the. Okay. What is the subtitle of Cornelius? नहीं है, इसका कोई सबटाइटल नहीं है. इसका कोई सबटाइटल नहीं है. Next question. There is no subtitle of Cornelius. And what is the subtitle of Cymbeline by Shakespeare? King of Britain. Write down. Cymbeline का मुझे ध्यान था. King of Britain. He was the king before Anglo-Saxon period. Next, which two eponymous characters from a Shakespeare play have the surnames Montague and Capulet?
Ma'am, simple है तो Romeo, Montague, and Juliet Capulet.
Yes, definitely.
Romeo was
It's
Montague and Juliet was Capulet. Yes.
yes, Romeo and Juliet. And okay, who were Troilus and Cressida then? What can be the subtitle for them? Or subtitle carry. What? How do you understand that? They belong to which thing, or what are the surnames or belongings? Trojans.
I didn't read,
Only
ma'am.
Trojans. Only Trojans. They always like Helen of
Yes.
Troy and all everything that is Trojans. Okay. and rest there is nothing. And Antony and Cleopatra belong to, ये कहाँ के थे? Antony was a Roman and Cleopatra belonged to Egypt. Which one of the Shakespearean play is referred to by actors as a Scottish play?
Macbeth, you know,
Macbeth.
Scottish Duke who refused
He
prophecy.
was the king of Scotland, right? And what was the setting of As You Like It? ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बार आया है. फॉरेस्ट ऑफ आर्डन. मैंने भी बहुत अच्छे से बताया था.
Yes, मैम आ गया. आर्डन से याद आ गया. Athens and Arden road once.
Yes.
आपने बिल्कुल स्पेसिफाइड किया था दैट कि इसको याद कर लेना. I think count the paper to Arden something.
Shakespeare wrote a play about two gentlemen from which Italian city? Verona. Yes, two gentlemen of Verona. And what is the source of this story? What is the inspiration or source of this story? Pass. क्या लिखा है मैंने?
Arcite and Palamon.
Arcite and Palomar.
वो Knight's Tale.
Knight's Tale. That is the inspiration. सब भूल जाओ. तुम लोगों ने पेपर सॉल्व भी नहीं करने की कोशिश की.
मैम हाफ ही हुआ था.
अभी तो चौथाई करा है. 25th क्वेश्चन था वो. हाफ हुआ था तो. Oberon, Italian, that Peasbottom, Master Seed are all characters from which of the play of Shakespearean comedy?
Midsummer Night's Dreams.
It's not Peas, it's Nick Bottom. Sorry, spelling correct. A Midsummer's Night Dream, right. Now next, the character of Hernia appears in
Banco.
Banco. हर्निया का कैरेक्टर बैंको में कैसे आ सकता है? ये चारों कैरेक्टर है. प्ले का नाम ही नहीं है एक में से कुछ भी.
प्ले का नाम ही नहीं.
No, this character belongs to a Midsummer's Night Dream. हर्निया उसमें थी ना. मिडसमर्स नाइट ड्रीम में थी वो. किसी भी प्ले के अंदर इसमें से थी ही नहीं ना. तो वो डंकन के
She is Hermia, ma'am, not Hernia.
वही तो कह रही हूँ कि हर्निया का कैरेक्टर आपका मिडसमर्स नाइट ड्रीम में. हर्निया तो बीमारी है वो. वहाँ पे कैसे आ सकती है? इसमें स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स बहुत ज्यादा है. थोड़ा सा अपना आप लोगों को यूज करना पड़ेगा कि हाँ इट कैन बी दैट. जैसे वो यागो की जगह लागो लिख दिया है यहाँ पे, तो दैट आई कैन करेक्ट. बट यहाँ पे दिस क्वेश्चन इज रॉन्ग. Antony and Cleopatra might be regarded as a sequel to what other Shakespearean play? Antony and Cleopatra can be a sequel to what other Shakespearean play?
Julius Caesar, ma'am.
Yes, उसी में था Antony, right? It was Mark Antony. And what was the name of the son of Julius Caesar? What was the name of the son of Julius Caesar?
Julius Caesar haven't any son, ma'am.
Octavius. It's Octavius.
Octavius was nephew. I think he was nephew of the Julius Caesar.
He was a
Not
son.
real son.
He was the next higher and the son of Julius Caesar. Octavius Caesar is the son, and her and his daughter. Julius Caesar's daughter is Octavia. What was the name of the wife? Calpurnia.
Yes.
मैम ऑक्टेविया ही करती है ना एंटनी से शादी दिस
हाँ,
दिस समथिंग
Antonia, yes. Octavius make his sister Octavia to marry Mark Antony, and that is why the war happened, because he betrayed both the brother and sisters. Now, what?
कनेक्टेड विद कैलिफोर्निया ओके
Okay,
ठीक है मैम
okay. Which ancient source did Shakespeare primarily use for Antony and Cleopatra?
Plutarch.
प्लूटार्क
It's Plutarch's life, because all the others are not the source of Shakespeare. इनमें से कोई भी और कोई Shakespeare का play का source कभी रहा ही नहीं है. Who is Sycharis in the play of?
Mother of Caliban.
Mother
Yeah,
of
Mother of Caliban.
yeah. She was the mother of Caliban, and what kind of character Sycorax was?
Ma'am,
Witch.
which?
She
Yeah,
was witch.
she was a witch. Very good. She was
Magician
the
type
witch
yes
on the island. And who says, Trinity, thy name is women?
because
Hamlet.
Hamlet to himself
Hamlet
and the
to
meaning of this women are weaker than men basically
Gertrude.
इसका पूरा exactly
Yeah, he said it, Hamlet to Gertrude. It's C.
Gertrude
Okay,
yes, yes,
and
yes,
that
yes.
happens in which scene? When it happened? In Gertrude chamber scene. In Gertrude chamber scene, where she didn't spoke and he killed Paulinus. Gertrude's chamber scene, where he killed ultimately Paulinus. Okay. When sorrow comes, they come not single spines but in battalion. Who said it?
Claudius
Really? I don't think
ये
it's Claudius.
listen Act 4 scene 4 how he was
Hamlet.
talking to
When
Claudius
sorrows come,
Hamlet
they
Yeah,
come
it's
not
Hamlet.
single spines but in battalion.
It's only Hamlet.
Yeah, that is a quote.
By Hamlet.
Yeah, it's by Hamlet to Claudius. He said it
okay
to Claudius. Okay. Who adopted the character of Hesiero?
Olivia.
Violet.
Olivia
Viola, ma'am.
Boyla. Yeah,
Violet.
it's that 12th night.
यस मैम ये ट्विंस वाली स्टोरी है ना भाई
हाँ
बहन
हाँ
के
हाँ ये वही है जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा disguises यूज हुए हैं. That is 12th night. Who says all flies to wanton boys and we are to God, they kill us for their sport?
For their sports.
Yes. Who said this?
Lear.
Huh?
Lear.
Yes, it's Lear. Lear said to whom?
To his servant, the faithful servant fool, no? To him he was telling.
Yeah,
Probably it may be. Because
Gloucester.
he couldn't rely his daughters.
Yes, right. He said it to Gloucester. Okay, he said
Gloucester.
it to
Yeah.
Gloucester
Yeah.
and Gloucester and Kent.
Mm.
He
Yeah,
said it
Ken.
to Gloucester and Kent when he was standing in the balcony of his palace and was seeing the storm coming. Okay, that is the storm scene. ये ध्यान रखना. It's a storm scene. In which play this line appear? All that glitter is not gold.
A Merchant of Venice.
Okay,
Casket scene.
but who said these lines?
Antony.
Uh,
Antonio.
Antonio said this line to
This his friend Binva.
Bassanio.
Yeah, sorry, Bassanio.
He said it to Bassanio. Okay, why he said it? Because in the choosing of the cascade, he should be conscious.
Yeah, he couldn't get ready for the money as well as his loss in this because
Yes.
of this charm. All such things, one at a time, he has been wrapped by all such fatal problems. That's why you.
Yeah, that is why he said. Which of the following words were invented by Shakespeare? Assassination, Brown, proof, all of these.
All of this?
All
Yes,
of these,
all of
ma'am.
these. Yeah, and it's few की स्पेलिंग गलत है यहाँ पे इसकी जगह कोई और वर्ड होना चाहिए ठीक है but Trump and assassination are right. A horse, my kingdom for a horse is a quote from
Ma'am, King Richard III
Richard
basically.
III.
And
I have.
he was yelling in battle.
Are you sure? Because ये मेरे को check करना पड़ेगा.
Is it not from
After his soul killed in battle, basically, then he was yelling.
A horse, my kingdom for a horse are the lines from that is Richard III.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
He
Richard
was,
the
he was
Third.
yelling there in the battle. Yes.
When he was yelling for the battle, and which battle? It was War of Roses because he sat on the throne only for 2 years.
War of Roses? Okay,
Yes.
okay.
War of Roses. Now, men of few words. Please, all of you mute your mics. Please, all of you mute your mics. We are recording it, so it will disturb. Men of few words are the best. Is a quote from Men of few words are the best.
Ma'am, I think C, major form.
Ma'am, I
Not
checked
sure.
it there. Basically, इसमें Henry V Act. Basically, it has some sort of मुझे लग रहा है गड़बड़ी है. Henry V Act. This thing. उसमें लिखा है Act 3 Scene 2.
Act 3, Scene 2.
Henry V. Because it wasn't anywhere.
Yeah, it's Henry V.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें option नहीं है. It's Henry. Men of few words are the best.
That's true.
Option D, none.
Option D, none. Yes, it's Henry V. Who was the ghost in Hamlet?
King of Denmark.
King of
King of
Denmark.
Denmark. Yes,
Denmark.
ma'am.
That is King Hamlet. Very good. Cassius, Portia, Octavius are the character in
Merchant of Venice.
Merchant of Venice.
Julius Caesar, madam.
Portia तो है उसमें.
Julius Caesar.
yes, it's Julius Caesar.
Julius Caesar, ma'am. Yes,
Octavius
Octavia.
is the son of Julius Caesar. Cassius is a friend, and Portia is the wife of Brutus.
Portia is also a character in Merchant of Venice.
Yes,
Yeah,
Merchant of
she is
Venice
the
is
main
Hypatia.
character in Merchant of Venice. Cowards die many times before their deaths. The valiant never taste the death.
Yes, ma'am. Julius Caesar, when
Julius
California had the
Caesar.
drink,
Julius
they
Caesar.
just sing this. Don't go outside.
These
this
are
thing,
like the
this
best
thing.
lines from the play.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Brevity is the soul of wit. Yes.
You,
Brevity is the soul of wit.
Is
Clear,
it
ma'am.
Hamlet?
King Lear.
Hamlet, madam. Hamlet.
Hamlet. It's Hamlet.
Hamlet, Hamlet.
Yes. It's Hamlet. The shortest play of Shakespeare.
The Comedy
Option
of
D.
Errors.
The Comedy of
Comedy
Errors.
of Error.
The Comedy of Errors.
I told you why it's the shortest play. Can you tell me the reason why it is the shortest play?
Ma'am, it's the
Because
first play of.
No, because it is slapstick comedy. It has lesser dialogue.
Yes.
I told you this that it's a slapstick comedy and the shortest of the play because everything is being shown only by maximum of the actions and dialogues are very less. What is slapstick comedy? Can you give me an example of a slapstick comedy?
मैम अंगूर जो मूवी है वो इसी स्टोरी पे बेस्ड है ना, सेम ट्विन्स हैं उसमें
नहीं
भी और
देखी
ऐसा
मैंने,
कुछ है।
नहीं देखा बेटा मैंने।
उसका सर्वेंट वगैरह है मैम,
हाँ
और
होगा।
संजीव कुमार की है। दोनों सर्वेंट भी ट्विन्स होते हैं और जो उनके ऑनर होते हैं वो भी अलग अलग, वो सेपरेटेड हो जाते हैं। मदर के पास होते हैं दो, और उनकी एक कपल की मतलब ये दो जो होते हैं उनकी मैरिड होते हैं, और
मैंने नहीं
दूसरे
देखी वो
वाला
मूवी, तो उसका तो नहीं कह सकती, बट कैन यू गिव मी एन एग्जांपल
अंगूर
ऑफ।
मूवी।
नहीं
अंगूर मूवी।
नहीं नहीं देखी बेटा, मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि इसके अलावा कोई
चैपलिन चार्ली।
हाँ, चार्ली चैपलिन and
हाँ मैम।
Tom and Jerry, these are the example of slapstick
यस
comedy.
मैम।
Okay, in which play these lines occur? What is the name? What is in the name that which we call a rose by any other name would smell as sweet?
Romeo
and
Juliet.
रोमियो एंड
Romeo and
Yes,
Juliet, ma'am.
that is Romeo and Juliet. Why the lines being said? Because of the family names. They were aristocrats and
Yes,
were
ma'am.
fighting for the family name, so that is why he said what is in the name. Right. Now, every mother breed not son alike. This, I a line from, this is,
Titus Andronicus.
yeah, that is Titus Andronicus. Present fear are less than horrible imagining. This line occurs in, present fears are less than horrible imagining. Yeah, this is the dagger scene, hallucination. किसमें है?
मैकबेथ।
Yes.
Ma'am, Macbeth में I guess.
Yes,
Yes.
dagger scene, hallucinations. In which play Iago character appears? इसमें maximum यही answer
Othello.
Othello.
maximum answer यही कर रखे हैं. Who wrote Shakespeare comedy and Shakespearean tragedy? Whose work is this? Shakespearean tragedy and Shakespearean comedy.
H.B. Charlton.
You are just making an assumption because it's A option, or you know it. Shakespearean comedy and Shakespearean tragedy. Work written by,
एचबी
H.B.
शेरलटन।
Charlton.
yes, it's H.B. Charlton.
चार्ल्टन पढ़ा है मैम ये।
Yeah. Who is Toby Blanche in Twelfth Night? Who is Toby Blanche?
अंकल ऑफ ऑलिविया।
मैम अंकल।
Yes, he was the uncle of Olivia.
मैम इसमें ऐसा कुछ भी था ना, बाकी सारे कुछ थे, ये इंग्लिश मैन था,
हाँ,
बाकी
अलग अलग
है ना,
वहां से
ये
लिए थे
डिफरेंट था।
कैरेक्टर. हाँ.
हाँ जी मैम।
The name of the Caesar's wife, I already told you.
Portia.
California.
Is it
California.
California?
हाँ.
Portia is the wife of Brutus.
Brutus. Yes. A2 Brutus.
Yes, and she suicided ultimately. Duncan was the king of,
Scotland.
yes. Which play is this? Which play is this?
Macbeth.
Macbeth. Macbeth.
Okay.
Macbeth.
What is the name of the king of England?
Cordelia.
No.
Cordelia?
No. King of England.
Hmm.
In the
Next आ गई.
In Shakespearean tragedy, who is the king of England? Hey Bhagwan.
Sorry, madam.
Oh God, it's Henry series is there, Richard series is there. All are the
Yes.
king of Edward.
Yeah.
They all are king of
Henry.
England.
All are king of England.
Yeah. Who is the king of Denmark?
हैमलेट।
Yeah, it's Hamlet. What is the name of King Lear's youngest daughter?
मैम कॉर्डेलिया।
And the eldest daughter?
गर्टरूड।
Gertrude?
No, Gondel.
Gondel. Yeah.
Gondel.
No.
Yeah.
मैम
it's
स्पेलिंग
Gondel mistake मैम।
Regan and Gondel.
Gondel.
मैम Regan and then Regan and then Girl.
Yes.
Regan and
exactly,
Gondel.
yes.
Gondel is
Yes, right. What is the name of Othello's wife?
Desdemona.
Okay.
Desdemona.
And who is Amelia then?
Emilia, her
servant.
assistant.
Who is Amelia?
Friend.
Friend of
Iago wife. Iago
Yeah.
wife.
He is the wife of Iago
Iago's wife.
and attendant to, and she was
Desdemona.
the attendant to Desdemona because she was stealing all the things now. And who is Bianca?
बियांक मैम ये यागो का अटेंडेंट था शायद इनके
No, Bianca is the beloved of Cassius.
ओके
Cassius is the another person na here. So
Yes, ma'am.
that is the beloved of Cassius. उसी को तो वो
ये
ब्रेक्स
केशियस मैम यागो के अंडर में था
हाँ एंड इसको
Yes,
इसने
हाँ.
डेस्डेमोना का फ्रेंड बता के he asked Othello to kill him because he is made the mind of Othello that Desdemona having an affair with Cassius because he is a college friend. Okay, and but Cassius used to love Bianca, a courtesan. Is a
Yes,
full
ma'am.
of boisterous fun and laughter. Which play of Shakespeare is a farce?
A Midsummer Night's Dream.
Last
A
labors
Midsummer
lost.
Night's Dream.
It's much ado about nothing.
Is it not my
Love,
Midsummer Night's Dream?
Not
love's labors lost.
yeah, Love's Labor Lost is also a farce. Both of the play are farce. Both the plays are farce. Midsummer's Night Dream is not a farce with a boisterous fun and laughter. Twelfth Night is also not that. But Love's Labor Lost and Much Ado About Nothing both are farce. Both the plays are farce. Okay, a swan song of Shakespeare.
Tempest.
Yeah, that is a Tempest is a swan song of Shakespeare. Age cannot wither her, not custom state, her infinite variety.
Cleopatra.
Lady Macbeth.
Cleopatra.
No,
Lady Macbeth, madam.
are you sure? मेरे हिसाब से Cleopatra because she was the girl of aging and everyone was falling in love with her. Her infinite variety. I have to check these lines to for whom he has said this because for me it should be Cleopatra.
Cleopatra.
Lady Macbeth है ना madam.
Age
No.
cannot wither her, nor
It's about
custom state,
Cleopatra.
her infinite variety. The lines are
There is
for
Antony and Cleopatra only.
yeah, that is for Cleopatra. Mark Antony said this for Cleopatra. It's not
Yeah.
Lady Macbeth. Because I know she was much aged than Mark Antony and Octavius both, but she was so beautiful that both fallen for her. And she was at that time when Mark Antony and Octavius fall in love with her beauty. She was in the age of, she was running in the age of 40. She had a 17-year-old son. Which character made the famous quote, "My salad days, when I was green in judgment, cold in blood to say as I said them"?
Cleopatra.
Cleopatra. madam.
My salad
No,
days,
Anabar.
when I was green in judgment, cold in blood to say as I said them.
Cleopatra, ma'am.
Yeah, it's Antony and Cleopatra. Cleopatra said it. What is the name of Antony's sword?
Charmian.
Charmaine, yes. This is the answer. Charmaine is the sword's name. Speak the epilogue as you like it. Who is the speaker of the epilogue?
Rosalind.
Rosalind.
It's Rosalind or Celia?
Rosalind.
Rosalind.
Okay, good. The character, Anamika, please mute it. The character Bastard appear in,
King John.
yes, it's King John. King John में character का नाम है Bastard that appears in King John. That's correct. Who said these lines? Look like not with the eyes but with the mind, and therefore is winged Cupid painted blind.
Helena.
Yeah, in which place the character belongs to.
Midsummer Night's Dream.
Yeah,
Midsummer's
she is from the Midsummer's Night Dream, and when she said, when these lines came, when she said this.
When she falls in love with this bottom.
No, she was
when
never
that
in love with
particular
Nick Bottom. She was already in love with the character. What was the name of that?
Demetrius.
Demetrius.
that queen
And that love juice was put on the
juice.
eyes of that. Then she said these lines. Who put the love juice
Yes,
on
ma'am.
the eyes
Yeah,
of
sorry,
Helena?
Helena.
Yeah. Who put the
Yeah, yeah.
love juice on the eyes of Helena and
Puck,
Demetrius?
Puck.
Puck.
Who was Puck?
It's Prospero's assistant.
Attendant of Oberon, right? The
Yes, ma'am.
character of Duquesne's son appears in. It should be something else. I don't know.
12th night, madam.
12th नाइट में क्या ये कैरेक्टर का नाम ही प्रॉपर नहीं है ड्यूक व्हाट
Orsino, ma'am. Duke Orsino.
Orsino yeah it's Duke Orsino appears in
I think
12th
it's
night
King Henry. King Henry.
no
No.
Henry में नहीं है Duke Orsino is in 12th night who fall in love
12th
with who fall in
That
love
okay.
with that girl
Yes, ma'am. वो
Yeah.
twins वाली story
Varna
same ही थी. Orsino is the king.
Priam is the king of
Troy.
Troy.
Troy very good Priam is the king of Troy what is the name of the queen of Troy
Recover.
Hecuba. Hecuba. Very good. You tried well. Hecuba is the queen. And what is the name of the eldest son?
Priam.
हाँ प्रियम उसका बेटा हो कैसे होगा वो तो हस्बैंड है What is the name of the eldest son of Priam and Hecuba? Hector.
Hector, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And who is responsible for the fall of Troy?
Helen.
Paris.
Paris.
Helena and Paris.
Paris. Basically, Paris
Both
was
of
the
them.
cursed. Paris was the cursed boy because of whom the Troy fought. Okay. Aeschylus is the prince of
Verona, ma'am.
I don't know because Verona is there in the two gentlemen of Verona only. So I am confused about this question. I don't know. We will solve it later. Now let's move on.
From Romeo and Juliet.
That is from Romeo and Juliet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who said, oh God, how very stayed flat and unprofitable seems to me all the uses of this world.
Hamlet.
Hamlet, ma'am.
Himself.
I don't know the weary's tale. Let me see this. Oh God, how weary, stale, flat, unprofitable seems to me all the uses of this world. This is the line William Shakespeare, Hamlet. Hamlet
Yes, ma'am.
said it in before grave digging scene. Before grave diggers scene. When he was sitting in the grave and the coffin of Ophelia came, then he said it. Okay. How many lines do Tempest contain?
2068.
Yeah, it is around 2000, so
2068.
it's more than that, 2068. It is a tale told by an idiot full of sound and fury.
Macbeth.
Yes,
Macbeth, ma'am.
it's Macbeth. Signifying nothing, that is of
Sound and
Macbeth.
Fury.
And
Sound and
अब
Fury.
बोलता है ये इसको Act 3.
Third.
Act 3, Scene 1. Where is the university at which Horatio and Hamlet studied?
Wittenberg, ma'am.
Wittenberg.
It's Wittenberg, England. In whose history of Denmark did Shakespeare find background material for the play?
Ma'am, the first one.
Yes.
Sexogrammaticus.
Yes, Saxo Grammaticus की history में ही he find the history of Denmark.
Okay.
Whose story does Hamlet ask the players to tell upon their arrival of Alicenor?
Ma'am, first one, Prime and Hecubas.
Prime and Priam and Hecuba. Okay, so he asked the players to tell the story in Alicenor on the arrival of Priam and Hecuba.
Hecubas.
Yes. No, it's none. It's Claudius and
None, ma'am.
Gertrude.
It is none.
हाँ, it's Claudius and Gertrude. क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? Because it was a coronation of Claudius. उस और कौन सी स्टोरी बोला था उसने? Which story with here we are talking about? Murder of Gonzalo.
Yes, ma'am. Murder of Gonzalo.
Yeah, it's murder of Gonzalo that was named as Mousetrap. The play within a play.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that was to be told on the arrival of Claudius and Gertrude. Here the answer is D. None.
None. Okay. Fine.
कहाँ से आ रही है आवाज? राजी, please mute your mic. Which character speaks the first line of the play Hamlet?
Horatio.
Horatio.
It's
What is,
Bernardo, ma'am. Bernardo.
who is Bernardo?
Ma'am, that character who was taking rounds of that castle.
And he made the announcement of the arrival of Prince Hamlet.
Yes, ma'am.
So the opening line was said by Bernardo, and he made the announcement of arrival of Prince Hamlet. And who speaks the last line?
Horatio, ma'am. Horatio.
Yeah,
Because
Horatio.
Horatio was the only person who was left.
Yeah, who was left?
the
Because
yes.
Hamlet said, Horatio, I'm dead, and after that the speech is being given by Horatio, and that was the summed up speech. Okay?
Because yes, ma'am. Even ma'am, Hamlet told Horatio to say, to speak that story to everyone.
Everyone, yes. And he was promising him for the same. Yes. Which character speaks from beneath the stage toward at the end of Act 1?
The ghost.
Who's ma'am?
Which character speaks from beneath the stage toward the end of Act 1? In Hamlet itself.
The ghost, ma'am.
Beneath the stage, kaun bolega? Obviously, ghost. He was speaking because the figure was not there. The only sound was there. He was asking Hamlet to come. Where the ghost asked Hamlet to come and meet him. Where he was calling him. His storeroom. He called him to the storeroom. In which, on which number of requests Hamlet accepted the proposal or went? How many times the ghost requested? My question is, how many times the ghost requested Hamlet to meet him?
Two
Ma'am,
times.
three times.
ma'am.
Three times. Yeah, he went on the third time. For the first 2 times, he didn't went.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, only 3 times because Horatio said now it's the third time and he won't make the request now. So you should go. Okay, who are Orlando's brother in the play as you like it?
Ma'am, Oliver and Jax.
Yeah, Oliver and Jax. What is the surname of these boys?
The boys, yes, ma'am. Oliver the boys and Jax the boys. Orlando the
It's
boys.
Roland D. Boys.
G.
The surname is Roland D. Boys.
Boys.
Yes. Who is the wrestler whom Orlando defeated?
Charles, ma'am.
It was Charles, right? Who is referred to as melancholy? Okay, one more question. Who is Silvius here?
Silvius is the shepherd, ma'am.
Yes. Shepherd in disguise or the real shepherd?
रियल शेपर्ड होता है ना?
Yeah, real shepherd hota hai, and he was living with Orlando in the forest of Arden. Okay.
Arden.
Yes. Who is referred to as a melancholic throughout the play?
Jax, ma'am.
Jakes was who is Jakes
He was
there?
the ma'am Orlando को accompany करता है ना? He was the like Orlando को मैम जब वो फॉरेस्ट ऑफ आर्डन में जाता है तो उसको
No,
उसके
Jakes
साथ
was Duke Junior.
ओके
He was Duke Junior, the father of Celia. He was melancholic throughout the play and was never happy. He became happy when he gave the complete thing to Duke Senior ultimately. जब वो उसको सारी चीजें वापस कर देता, then he become happy क्योंकि उसने धोखे से लिया था. So he was never happy because he always the feeling was there that I have dished my elder brother, I have removed him from the throne, and he was never happy. So Jakes was the Duke Junior and father of Celia.
मैम जेक्स
Yes,
मैम
Jakes. Yeah, his name is Jakes. Don't worry. Who accompanied Rosalind and Celia to the forest of Arden?
touchstone
Yeah, it's Touchstone. What was the designation of Touchstone?
मैम वो था
Jester.
Yeah, fool or jester in the court, and the wisest man of the play. Who is Rosalind's? Sorry, what is Rosalind's name after her disguise?
Ganymede.
It's
Ganymede.
Right, it's Ganymede. Whom does Touchstone marry?
Phoebe.
touchstone Maggie मैम
No, odd.
Phoebe.
Phoebe मैम
Phoebe. It's
ओके मैम
who is Orlando's father in the play?
सर
Roland.
Sir Roland
Sir Roland Device.
Yes, he was a very reputed person. With who does Phoebe fall in love with?
Ganymede.
Yeah,
Ganymede.
yes. That is the
Disguised
tragedy and yeah, the disguised Rosalind.
form of Rosalind.
Yes. And in the Tempest, Alonso is the king of which Italian realm?
Naples.
Naples.
He was the king of Naples. Which of the following mythological figure does not appear in the play The Tempest?
Ma'am Dinah. Juno
Dinah.
are there.
Juno was there.
Series.
Iris and Ceres were also there. I don't know.
Spirit.
They are the
Ma'am, at the
spirits.
time of mass,
They were the
at the
spirits.
time of mass,
Yeah. Prospero must often describe Gonzalo as
Wise.
wise. He was a wise person there, right?
Yeah, counselor.
And he is the one who taught him
Yes, ma'am.
necromancy.
With the books and
Yeah, necromancy or black magic to control the spirits. Who forms a plot to take Alonso's crown?
Olen's crown.
To take
Plot to
Alonso's
take
crown.
Alonso.
Sebastian and Antonio,
Yeah,
Sebastian and
Sebastian.
No. This one, Stephen, Sebastian.
Sebastian and Antonio is the right answer. A is the right answer.
Yeah, first one.
Yeah. According to Prospero, where did the kingship land after the tempest?
Ma'am Bermuda.
Yeah, it's around Bermuda. Who says the famous quote, "Oh brave world that has such people in it"?
Ma'am Miranda गई थी मैम क्योंकि जब वो फर्स्ट टाइम फर्डिनेंड को देखती है ना आई थिंक
Huh. That is
Yes.
when she saw Ferdinand for the first time.
yes
Okay. Who is the speaker of the epilogue and to whom it is addressed? The Tempest.
मैम Prospero और ऑडियंस के लिए
Prospero, yeah, और वही बोलता है, and he summed up the story, right? And which of the following is not the major theme of Tempest?
Last one.
मैम थर्ड वन
Forgiveness
No,
and
D-
vengeance is
D-
there.
D. Yeah.
No, it's rebirth through love.
See,
That is not, beta, not is there. So obviously rebirth through
Oh, not.
is otherwise political legitimacy is there, and new colonialism was
forgiveness.
there, and forgiveness and vengeance is there, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
We are such stuff
Dreams are
as dream are made on, and our little life is surrounded with a sleep.
Ariel, ma'am.
Prospero.
Ariel, ma'am.
Yeah, such stuff as dream are made on. And
Ariel.
yes, it's Prospero.
Ariel only.
Prospero to Ariel. It's Prospero to Ariel. वो Ariel से बात करते हुए बोलता है.
ठीक है.
What was Prospero's title before his position was
Usurped
stuff
only
that
was.
he was forced to flee Italy?
Duke of Milan.
Duke of Milan.
Yes, what was Prospero's title? He was Duke of Milan.
Milan.
Yes. And now in Act 3, Viola says that the best is,
A white stone.
I don't know.
Or a rogue.
I think none.
None.
मैम ये क्या क्वेश्चन है मैम? Best is
या यहाँ पे जो कैरेक्टर है उसके लिए वो कोई कमेंट करती है. इट्स नॉट अ फुलिश वाइफ, इट्स नॉट अ रॉग, इट्स नॉट अ वाइज टूल, बट मे बी नन. कुछ और कमेंट है. आई शुड से लुक इनटू इट. ये देख लेंगे क्वेश्चन. सेबेस्टियन एंड वॉयला आर फॉर्म्स.
Illyria.
What? Ilaria, yes.
Or from, ma'am, is it?
It's from.
Is it from?
From Ilaria. They are from Ilaria. What does the soothsayer says to Caesar?
Beware of.
the edicts of
The
March.
idea of March, because he never wanted him to be in the public, right? So he warned him. And,
It is ma'am 15th of March.
Yes.
Yeah. Beware of.
Yes.
What does Antony offer Caesar in the marketplace?
The
Ma'am,
crown.
The
crown. The crown.
Yes, the crown. He offers him the crown. Who is Octavius?
Caesar's adopted son and
And appointed higher. Yes.
There are two
What
options. no?
appears at Brutus beside in the camp?
Caesar's
Bloody
ghost.
A bloody
ghost.
dagger. A bloody dagger. What does Antony call Brutus?
the novelist Roman.
Novelist Roman.
Noblest Roman.
Yes, the noblest Roman. Who say, I have a man's mind but a woman's might?
Ma'am,
Portia?
ये है Portia.
It's Portia.
In Merchant of Venice, ma'am.
Yes.
No,
Correct.
no, ma'am.
Yes.
Merchant of Venice.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Because she disguised herself as a lawyer, Balthazar.
Macduff.
There she said. Who killed Macbeth?
Macduff.
Macduff.
Macduff. What was the position of Macduff?
He has been that.
Ten up file.
Thane of Fife. It's not five.
Yes.
It's Thane of Fife.
And he was the person who was not naturally born by the
Yes.
wombs of
He was,
mother.
yeah. He
Untimely
was a surgically born boy. How did
Yes.
Lady Macbeth die?
हाँ वो
Committed suicide.
वो
She-
मैम अपने आप को
Mentally,
मैम फॉर्म हो जाती है ना स्टेट से
yeah,
अपने
she
आप को
got mentally sick by hysteria. The problem was hysteria. She was sick or affected by hysteria. How did Banquo died?
उनको was
Killed.
stabbed by the
Murdered by the hired murderer.
Yeah, he
Hired
was
by-
hired murderer by Lady Macbeth. He was murdered by Lady Macbeth. ठीक है? Lady Macbeth hired the murderer and killed Banquo. What?
Even ma'am Banquo's son was I mean he was
no, he fled
escaped.
away.
Fleeance.
He escaped.
Fleeance.
Fleeance escaped away.
Yes, ma'am. There is no mention where he actually
Yes, where
goes,
he
but
went. Yeah,
Yes.
it was never mentioned that where he went. What new title does Macbeth receive? Earl
Then of Carter.
Thane of
Coward.
Coward. It's
Yes.
Coward लिखा हुआ है, that is Cawdor.
Cawdor, yes ma'am.
Yes, he was a Thane of Cawdor, and next one is the King of Scotland.
Scotland.
That is
Scotland.
what he became. That is what he became. Okay, how many witches are mentioned? The real witches, how many real witches are
Ma'am,
mentioned?
three.
Three
Lady
witches.
Macbeth is called the fourth witch, ma'am.
No.
Lady
Three, listen, three witches work for prophecy. They have one supervisor, that is the fourth witch.
Hecate. Yes.
Yeah,
Hecate.
yeah.
Hecate.
Hecate, and but because she was indirectly present there, that is why Lady Macbeth was called as the fourth witch.
Fourth witch.
Okay, so this was
Yes.
your Shakespeare's first question paper, which you have solved very well. Easy इसलिए था क्योंकि सबके आंसर लगभग ए थे. Next time I'll mention it. I'll shuffle the option. ये पता नहीं बस वो लिखते हुए शायद कर दिया है उन्होंने. जितने right answers थे सब ए में डाल दिए हैं. So I'll take
मैम
care.
कंफ्यूजन हो गया था जब हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे थे कि ये सारे एक क्यों डाल
क्यों
रहे हैं.
डाल रहे हैं. हाँ, वो एक्चुअली क्या है कि इतने सारे क्वेश्चन थे ना, तो आई गेव द कंप्लीट बुक टू द टाइपिस्ट. उसने वो सारे ए राइट आंसर को जिनको टिक किया था वो सारे ए बना दिए उसने. तो कुछ ऐसा करा होगा. मैंने भी क्वेश्चन पेपर आज देखा है ना आप लोगों के साथ. इससे पहले मैंने सॉल्व तो करा नहीं था, मैंने केवल बुक दे दी थी उसको. सो नाउ आई इसका तो आंसर क्वेश्चन पेपर क्या ही भेजूं, सारे ए हैं. But I'll send another question paper on Shakespeare in your groups, relevant groups. You have to solve it, and we will discuss it on Monday. But not completely like this. ऐसे discuss नहीं करूँगी उसको. आप लोगों से सिर्फ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करूँगी कि आप लोगों को अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम होगा तो. Got it?